In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram stories not showing in the home top bar. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for app updates. So launch App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, close this, launch your settings app. Now go to General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram and launch it. Click on Offload app. Again, click on Offload app to confirm it. Likewise, for the Android device, press and hold on the Instagram app. Select the option App Info, click on Storage, then click on Clear Cache. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With these, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work out for you, what you want to do is contact Instagram support team. So launch your Instagram app, click on three bars, navigate to the option Help. Now here you're going to find the option of Report a technical problem. Click on that. Click on Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't include and continue. Now here briefly explain about the issue and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram storage not showing in home top bar. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.